Hello, a very warm welcome from my side. So friends, today we are going to discuss your question number first from exercise 2.2 and the question are in front of you. So here you have to find the polynomial, that is the value of the polynomial that are given below. So the polynomial is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. You have to find out the value of this polynomial when we put x is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 2 respectively. Okay friends, so let's begin. So you can write it as polynomial p of function x is equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Okay, you can write like this. So here friends, you should do px is just like your machine gun. When you put anything at the place of variable x, the values will come out. So when you put x is equals to 1, there will be some other values. When you put x is equals to minus 1, then some other values will come out after simplification. And when you put x is equals to 2, there will be some values will come out after simplification. So let's begin. So we are going to solve your first, that is when we put then, so what you get, you just have to write at the place of x 0. Okay, so what it will be p. So p at 0 will be 5 at the place of x. X is in multiplication with 5, so just write 5 into 0. There is a sign of minus, so write 4. At the place of x you have to write 0, so 0 square plus 3, because 3 have no variables. Okay, so when you simplify, it will be, when you multiply 5 into 0, it will be 0 only, minus, so 0 square will be 0, and when you multiply 4 into 0, answer will be 0 only, and it is plus 3. So your question will be, so your answer will be 3 only. So when you put p at 0, so input is 0, then the value of your polynomial will be 3. So 3 will be your answer when you put x is equals to 0. Now putting x is equals to minus 1. So your p minus 1 will be, so putting the values in this equation, so it will be 5 into minus 1, then there is a sign of minus, 4 into minus 1 to the whole square plus 3. So when you solve, this will be, and this minus 1 square will be what, 1 only, and 1 multiply 4, it will be 4 only. So there is a sign of plus, write plus, then write 3. So minus 5 minus 4, this will add up, minus will be add, but the overall sign will be negative only. So minus 9, there is a sign of plus 3. So you will get minus 9 plus 3 will be what? So minus plus will be minus only, but since the bigger term has negative sign, so answer will be negative only. It will be minus 6 will be your answer. Now at x is equals to 2. So polynomial at value 2 will be 5 into x. At the place of x you will write 2, because you are finding your values at x is equals to 2. So 5 into 2, then there is a sign of minus, then 4 into x square means 2 square, then there is a sign of plus. Then this will be 5 into 2, 10, minus 4 is in multiplication with 2 square is what, 4, then there is a sign of plus 3. Then this will be 10 minus 4 into 4, how much, 16, then there is a sign of plus 3. So 10 minus 16 plus 3. So positive term will be added up and negative one will be subtracted. So sign before the term is considered the term's signs. Okay, so this 10 is with, so 10 will have sign of positive and this positive will add up. So 10 plus 3, how much, 13. Then this 16 have sign minus, so minus 16. So you are subtracting 16 from 13. So what will be your answer? So your answer will be minus 3, because bigger term has sign negative and the smaller term has sign positive. So plus minus will be, but the subtraction will be 13 minus 16. So minus 3 will be your answer. I hope you understood. I hope you learned this session. If you have not watched my previous video of polynomial, where I have discussed some basic concept regarding polynomial, such as what is degree, what is coefficient, what are the terms, what are the other variables involved in a polynomial, you can visit, link in the description box. Okay, till then, happy learning, bye bye, and keep sharing this quality content with your friend, so that this quality content reaches to everyone. Thank you so much.